In this video, come with us as we cross the lovely Severn Bridge, which you know by now I love, over to Wales to go to a dance event, which you're welcome to join us for. Oh, lovely drive, lovely drive. Right, we have just arrived in Wales and in the, we call it Cardiff, but it's not Cardiff, it's Barry really, but Cardiff Airport Premier Inn. You've seen this before, you saw this last year, we was here, it's just a standard Premier Inn room. Some of them are different, so I've noticed that recently. Nice and clean as always, nice shower, nice bath. And we are here for a dance event. So if you want to see that, stick around and I'll show you what's happening. I am the most excited I've been in flipping ages. I have got such a buzz going on and I just need to sort myself out. So we're going to go and have a little say hello to all of our friends, and I am just absolutely buzzing. I haven't felt like this in so long. It's such a welcome relief as well. Okay, right, I'm gonna go and sort myself out. I've got my backpack on my back and I'll catch you in a bit. Oh, good morning. This girl looks a bit tired this morning, Jasmine. I thought I was going to look great. I looked in that mirror where you are and I was like, hang on, let me flip this camera. And I thought, yeah, don't look too bad. And then I've gone in a different light and I do. But anyway, good morning. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good actually.
Good, I'm glad to hear it. So we've had a very eventful weekend and it's time for us now to head to Centre Parcs for our annual holiday. We're going to call it a holiday because we need some downtime. We've had a lot go on this year, as you've seen from the videos, and it's time to really just be a bit zen. So we're going to spend some time in the forest. Come with us. We're going to take this is funny, hilariously funny. We're going to take this dragon with us. So this dragon came from the Welsh place that we've been to, and yeah, and he's going to come to Centre Parcs. He's going to go on an adventure, and I'm being very childish about it. I'm sticking stories about him in places, so that's quite funny, I think. Anyway, let's hit the road, Jack. We've stayed here for 3 nights. Love the Premier Inn stay for 3 nights, and yeah, I woke up really grateful this morning, really feeling blessed, and excited to take you with us.